All right, this is a new show called Cooking with Dad. And this is, what's your name?
Berkeley Brown.
Berkeley Brown, and I am Jason Brown. And we are going to make something called Brazilian lemonade. This is gonna be delicious. So what we have is 4 limes. And we quartered them, and we're gonna put them in the blender. In the blender.
And 4 pieces.
They can't see. You gotta show them.
And 4 pieces.
4 pieces, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
Easy.
Put them in there. Put them in there. The whole thing. Yep. Put all that in there. Okay. So we're gonna use 4 cups of water. Ooh. All right.
That looks good.
And so now we blend it up. Okay.
And this is gonna be loud.
It can be kind of loud, so we may do this in stages. Here we go. Ready? Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah, that's loud. Whoa. That's running a lot.
It said it's supposed to be 30 seconds, but I don't think so. Let's just go max. Think that's good enough? Is it? Should we even go more? That's as high as it goes right there. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, well, hold on. Okay, we'll turn it off. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh wow.
Okay.
I'm gonna taste it.
It's gonna taste like lime and water. Okay, so
That actually tastes disgusting.
I'm gonna do. So then we've got this thing. Okay, and we got to pour it into. Hold on.
The blender.
No, hold on. Here we go. So we're gonna pour it into this bowl.
Oh.
So here, so we're gonna set this on the bowl. I got it. No. I got it. Let me do this part. Okay. So we're going to basically just get rid of all the pulp.
What is that? What is pulp?
Pulp. Here, there you go. Shake that.
Can I do it?
Yeah, shake that. So we want to get rid
It's
of.
getting that messy a little.
Let me get all that out.
What's the pulp, Dad?
The pulp is like the fruit part.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
So
what I thought.
getting there. So this is what it looks like.
This is like a lot. And
Yeah.
look inside of it.
Okay. Well, don't here. Keep it in the bowl. Here we go. Got that.
This is taking a while, so
Let me see it. Let me try it.
better leave
Let's
my
do
mouth
this.
like on. So we got a little bit of that.
Whoa! A little messy there.
I'll get a napkin.
Okay. We got that. So we're gonna throw away. So you throw away the pulp. There we go. So we got rid of the pulp.
There we go.
Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to pour that. Well, here, we gotta wash out our. Hold on. Yeah, that's all the lime juice. Okay. And so we're gonna take this. Hold on. Yeah. We're gonna pour this in here. Okay. So we got that.
Green.
I wonder if we should do the colander again. Let's do the colander one more time. Here we go.
Wait, the colander?
Yeah, that's what this is called. Make sure you get all the.
Oh wow.
Okay, so there was a little bit more pulp in there. Okay, let's wash it out.
There's like tiny little pieces. Oh,
Yep. Okay, so we're done with that. Okay, so not much.
they're so tiny.
Okay,
So,
we're good with that. No, ooh, let's not do that. All right, so we're gonna pour this back in here. And we got that. Okay, now we're gonna take some sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna do about half a can.
Can I do it?
Yeah, I don't want half.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's very sweet and very. Yeah, you can try it. Pretty sweet, huh?
That's pretty good.
Okay, so we're gonna do this. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna pour See, it's very
nice and sweet.
About half a can.
I think we need 3 cans.
No, we don't. No, we don't need 3 cans, I promise.
But why did we get 3 cans,
We'll
buddy?
So we can make more later. All right, stop putting your finger in it. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Got that. Okay. Now, put some ice in there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna put the lid back on.
I'll be right back. Go.
Okay, here we go. Put the lid back on. Got the lid on. Here we go. We're gonna go slow. Here we go. Hey, you doing it? Come here. We're not done yet.
Oh wow, it's dripping everywhere. Damn.
Okay, stop. No. I'll take care of it. I'll do it. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, so let me get a cup. We use this cup right here. Okay, here we go. Berks. This is your first.
Oh, is this ours?
Yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's done. That's it. One second. All right, Berks gets to try it first. What does it taste like?
It tastes disgusting.
Does it really?
Taste it.
Let me taste it. Let's see. It's lemonade. Here, stop. Tastes disgusting?
I don't really like it, do you?
You want to make it sweeter?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Of course.
Well, like actually a little like it.
A little like it. Maybe we should just put a whole. Stop. Stop putting your hand in there. Okay.
A lot more sweeter.
Okay. That's probably.
It's pretty not sweet.
Pretty not sweet. Okay. All right. Well.
That is what it looks like, people.
Watch out.
It looks just milk. It looks milk. That looks just milk. You're right, Dad.
Look good or no good?
Scooty's over here.
All right, here we go.
He's having a blast. Scoot, do you want to eat this?
All right. Last thing. Oh, here we go. Let's get a cup.
Right here.
We'll use the Mickey Mouse cup.
See right here. Is that gonna be mine?
There you go. There's the updated one. Try that one. It's better.
It's good, people.
It's good, people. All right. Well, there you go. Thanks for joining us.
Woo!
We'll see you later.
Thanks for cooking with Dad.
That's right. See you later. Bye.
We'll get another cooking video with Cooking with Dad. Bye.